Welcome everyone to this edition of Simulator Games on Android Pad. So before I get started, I am going to show you how to add your Pro controller onto your onto your onto your on your how to hook your Pro controller up on your how do you explain this on your Samsung or Android Pad. That looks kind of old from your Android phone. But yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely it. I just need to re-plug it back in. Wait until it lights up. Yes, I want to connect. Connected. Okay, so we're ready to go. Our video is still recording. Okay, I'm back to Mario Kart. Pushing B. One player game. I always do time trials. Of course I like time trials. Yeah, let's be Peach. No. Hold on. You're telling me that A is for gas. I'm also getting pretty good at this. You know, just practicing for new records. Then I can play with other players and beat their behinds. It's really a pain. I'm sorry, Lakitu. It's really a pain. I'm very sorry, Lakitu. I'm wearing headphones for this so you don't, hear this so because of copyright infringement. You know, I'm playing part 2 of Doodle and Doodles on my mom's YouTube account. Not searching any more Cubo sign-offs because they creep me out. Oh my god. I mean, look at these things. I didn't know I was reversing. I said, I'm not reversing. Lap 3. There's up to 5 laps on this game, which is pretty unfair. But you know what they say. 4 score, say no more. Lotus says that on Paw Patrol. Oi, oi. You're for losers. Because you said Paw Patrol is for losers. Oh, I thought that was me. I thought that was the game being bad. But it was just me controlling it bad. Alright. You could also play Jelly Mario on here. Like, you know. I mean on us. Yeah. I got it. Yeah. This is pretty stupid. But yeah, look. Oh, Crazy Games. It's like the Crazy Games edition. I'm using an emulator for this. You can tell. Alright, I'm fast forwarding it. See ya. Hold on. Let's turbo this. Okay. Ah, look at me! Say no reverse. I don't know where I'm going, and I'm insane. Like, look at me. I'm actually going reverse. Alright, there. Oh! Well, that was unexpected. Ah! Well, that was... Okay. Wonder if you guys can make... this emulator is so fun. I want you to make a Nintendo Switch simulator and make ROMs for it. Make your own website called Nintendo Switch ROMs. Okay, then I can play Mario Kart Deluxe with this controller. I could also get the download a ROM. Ah, Lakitu had to get me out. Man. Oh my god. Oh wow. I like playing this. You're thinking I'm playing this on the Nintendo Switch too. I mean, can you see it? You can probably see it because you're watching the video. I actually lost some subscribers while I was off air on Dudeland Doodles. But I can live with that because I'm continuing my part 2 of Dudeland Doodles. And the new channel is going to be named Dudeland Doodles 2. I'm making fan-made Cubo sign-offs. You know, this is I think it's a 4-lap. So rare. Sorry, guys, I didn't celebrate Easter. But you guys, I'm doing all cups. I'm not switching my character Peach. I'm not even switching. I like playing as Peach. I know. There's no Princess Daisy on this. Woo! That was actually the whole thing. Okay, let's turbo this. Okay, I'm completely psycho. Can I Y? Yes. Okay. I can see my... Okay, I know where I'm going. What's... Oh, okay. I pressed the menu button. Oh my god. He's saying get off my track. I didn't pirate this. Look at me. Like I'm racing. Lakitu. Thank you. Alright. What's that? Jeez. Always have item. What is that? Oh wait, it actually worked! How? I'm driving through walls! A psycho. That was pretty psych around. I can also go for those. I can also go through pipes, making this even quicker. I'm reversing. He says non-backwards. I'm like... Alright, I like that sheet. The sheet is making it go backwards. Alright, also Super Mario World. Autosave. Mario A, empty. The headphone got something wrong and it started. I think it was just the Koopa itself. Hold on. Oh, I want to see if I can. Oh. Okay. Pretty unexpected.
Bye-bye.